Greetings, the Austereo 30 here yet again, and welcome back to AEL. Now, if you're new to this channel, please consider going down below and subscribing if you haven't done so already. Cheers. Well, I'm revisiting this Elektor amplifier, and I've got the CD player connected up to it, and I have realised that it is a bit distorted. Well, it was. I did tweak the two trimmers. So I thought in this video would be a good idea to actually test the functionality of the whole thing. And yeah, I'm not exactly liking it, but I mean, now I could sit there and realign that so it was more for an input sensitivity of about half a volt or even a volt. Thing is, I don't like the fact of that 5.6 odd volt DC on the output, because all that does is just cause it to do stupid shit like that. And well, you can't have a muting relay there because, well, as soon as you disconnect one speaker and then reconnect it, you get that little bit of a pop. I mean, it's not so bad now, but yeah, I'm not happy with it. So basically, this little short video that I'm doing on this is for some reason not much treble on that channel. Don't know, maybe the way it's mixed. Yeah, so I'm probably not going to go to the trouble or the expense of putting it in a case, only just to be disappointed with the results. Because yeah, it works. But honestly, I only just did this as a bit of fun. It's not really a project that I need another amplifier for something. I mean, it could be used as a test amplifier, but yeah, for now I'm on the fence with this. I don't know how well the phono preamp works. Wow, there's a lot of wow. There's a lot of crosstalk. And it goes away further down the line, which is strange. And yeah, there's a bit of a pop there as well. So I didn't really design this very well. Although the RIAA is doing something. So yeah, but there's a lot of bleed through, which shouldn't be there. Plus the pop that the selector relays are making. So I might put this project to bed and say that I'm not happy with it. That was basically all I wanted to do with this. So yeah, I might take my heat sinks back off and put them away for storage, and then just stick this in a box somewhere for something else to play with later. I mean, it's a bit of a shame considering how much this PCB cost me. In fact, all the PCBs, but yeah, it is what it is. Not everything works out the way you want it to. So I'm going to leave this video here. Just wanted to do a quick update about stop the CD player too before I get too much further. Might help if I actually stop the disc. and I can actually take the disc out. Righto, there we go. So yeah, leave your thoughts below, because I'm not really fussed about this one way or the other, because I've got other things to be going on with, but I did want to just do a proper sound test with all the PCBs connected. And yeah, I'm not happy with the clicks and the pops that are present when using the selector, plus I'm not happy with the crosstalk between inputs, which I don't know why it's doing that. I'm the Austereo 30, and if you enjoyed this video, please remember to go down below, like, comment and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And as always, this is the Austereo 30 saying see ya, thanks for watching, have a great day.